Do you have a Wells Fargo debit card and plan to use it outside the US? Be aware of the 3% foreign transaction fee. This fee applies to purchases made in foreign currencies or at non-US merchants, whether you're physically abroad or shopping online. For every $100 you spend, Wells Fargo charges an extra $3. This covers currency conversion costs and other risks. The fee applies to international ATM withdrawals with a charge of up to $5 per transaction, plus 1% of the amount withdrawn. It also applies to online purchases from foreign sites or in-person buys abroad. Domestic transactions are fee-free, even if the merchant is foreign-owned. The 3% foreign transaction fee can add up quickly when traveling or shopping internationally. For example, a $100 purchase incurs a $3 fee, and on a $5,000 trip, this could mean $150 in total fees. First, consider Wells Fargo's own credit card options. Cards like the Platinum or Reserve have no foreign transaction fees, allowing you to avoid the 3% charge while still banking with Wells Fargo. Another effective tactic is to use travel rewards cards from competitors. For example, Chase Sapphire Preferred offers 0% foreign transaction fees and earns valuable rewards on international purchases, potentially offsetting any costs. Consider multi-currency accounts or apps like Revolut or Wise. These fintech solutions offer competitive exchange rates and fee-free international transfers, helping you avoid Wells Fargo's foreign transaction fees entirely. Looking ahead, some experts are predicting that Wells Fargo may introduce a premium debit card tier without foreign transaction fees by 2026, similar to the benefits already available on its credit cards.